Question number 7. So we have this quartic and we have a restricted domain of 1 to infinity. Find the value of a where the inverse when x equals a equals 2. So if I make, my answer is 2, therefore of my inverse I've got a point which is a and 2. Therefore, on P, that point would be 2 and A. Therefore, P of 2 equals A. Therefore, A equals 2 to the 4 minus 2 cubed minus 2 squared plus 2 plus 1, which is 16 minus 8 minus 4 plus 3, which is 4 plus 3. A equals 7. Okay. Part B, find value of B, where f of b equals 1. Okay, so 1 equals b to the 4 minus b cubed minus b squared plus b plus 1, correct? Yeah. So therefore move the 1 over 0 equals b to the 4 minus b cubed minus b squared plus b, which is b cubed minus b squared minus b plus 1. Well, there's one answer there, b equals 0. I'm looking for b cubed minus b squared minus b plus 1 equals 0, so I'd like to factorise. P of 1 is correct, so 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Therefore, I know that b minus 1 is a factor, so b minus 1 divided into b squared minus b cubed minus b squared minus b plus 1. B goes into that b squared times b is b cubed minus b squared. Subtract the top one from the bottom one, I get 0. Therefore I've got minus b plus 1. B goes into minus b minus 1, and I get minus b plus 1, which gives me 0. Beautiful. So I've got b squared minus 1, which is b minus 1 times b minus 1 times b plus 1, and also my b. So that's what I got. Therefore, b equals plus or minus 1 or 0. And since b is going to be bigger than 0, there's only one answer, b equals 1. And part B, find the rule and domain of the inverse, if this is what my original is. Okay, I think it's easier to turn this into the form that I would prefer for the hyperbola. So I'm going to do a quick little division. There's only a one line. So x minus 2 goes into x plus 3, goes in once. X minus 2, subtract the second one from the first, which gives me 0 and gives me 5. So I've got y equals 5 on top of x minus 2 plus 1. If I swap, because I'm looking for the inverse, I've got x equals 5 on top of y minus 2 plus 1. X minus 1 equals 5 on top of y minus 2. Y minus 2 equals 5 on top of x minus 1. Therefore, y equals 5 on top of x minus 1 plus 2. Therefore, what's my rule? F. So f inverse of x equals 5 on top of x minus 1 plus 2, and the domain of the inverse will be all real numbers except for 1.